trusty car is my 1972 MGB, and it is a roadster. It is beautiful, soul crystal red, or I should say was, because on Monday, yesterday, someone hit me, and well, I'll show you what happened, how this thing held up. This used to be a British Leyland badge. It got thrown off when I was hit, but take a look at the rest of it. So this is the front end, and looks relatively normal, except I don't know if you know these cars, but that's a couple of inches higher than it was yesterday. And yep, that is the door gap right there, or no lack of gap right there. It gets bigger down here, but and it's pushed up the paint, and this is a weak spot in the cars, and you can see where this one buckled. Oof. The door is wider. This wasn't that way, and the door buckled right here, and this also is jammed up in it. Door can't open, of course, and it's unlocked. This is the crumple zones, I guess. This car was designed to crumple, and I guess it did its job. And take a look at that here. Now, this car, this tire is, the bodywork comes up to here, so that is 5-6 inches, I guess. And right here, this is the point of impact. Bumper went through and jammed into the bodywork. And of course, the truck has seen better days. And as you look through, this side avoided most of the problems, but if you look at that door gap there, you can see where the bodywork is moved over. I can actually fit my finger in that door gap. That's insane. So this was widened a little bit. That side looks normal, but as if you can see, this side looks almost normal for the body height, and it's just significantly higher over there. The radio was pushed out. I pushed it back in. I actually drove it into the garage. It really surprised me at how good it was. So yeah, and under the hood's pretty much the same, except when you started it, the exhaust was broken in the accident. So that's the car, and it held up surprisingly well. I have heard that these cars were bad in an accident, and I'll tell you, this one did remarkably well. The guy was doing about 30 to 40 miles an hour when he hit me. So I'm a little banged up. Car's a lot banged up. It did its job. Good car.